Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment. Let's go in there right at the top and let's pop a curve in right at the top at the center here. So we're just going to go curve like that, top of his head. Just a couple of lines down. Okay, that'll be like his mask area. Then we're just going to do a curve underneath as well. Okay, we can just join those areas up like so. Then we're going to do an arc that's going to go around to the other side here. So let's go around and around, down and around like that. Okay, then we're going to do just a little line in here, that's his mouth. So it's just going to kind of start there, move around like that, and just flick down a little bit. Okay, let's put a couple of eyes in. So they're a little bit like diamonds kind of shape actually. So I'm just going to do this eye here, diamond shape there, and one on the other side as well, like that. Okay, just going to pop in a line just above the top and up, just to put that eyebrow in, just to make him look a little bit feisty. Okay, he's got like his bandana area that comes down, sort of like the two little parts that come down from that. So I'm going to pop those in now. So one will go down like that, just to a raggedy edge, and then we'll move that back up and in. And then the next one will come out around behind that and down not so far. Jaggedy edge like that. Bring it up and around and just put that into the side there. Okay. A couple of little lines below the chin area, just like that. 1, 2. Then I'm going to pop a little bit of shoulder muscle in here, so it's just like the top part of his shoulder, just around like that. Okay. Then I'm going to pop a little bit more of his shoulder, just around there, and then here, just going to put a little bit like that. Okay. Right. Next up, shoulder pads. So he's got quite big shoulder pads on, that kind of taper down. So I'm going to do one big shoulder pad like here, so just do a curve, bring it around, flick down and up. Same on this side, so around, down, curve there, just meet it up, and we'll just join that up like that and that. Two other little bits below it, kind of like coming out from it, so I'm just going to do like little rectangles that come up from this area here. So it's just going to go like 1 and then 2. Same here. Just going to do like 1 and 2, kind of tapers down. Let's pop his sort of chest area in next. So let's do the shell. So if we put a little point kind of like here, and we're just going to do like a curve that's going to go around, sort of do his pec muscle, and then like that. Just do the same here, just be wary where his bandana is. So we're just going to join it up like that, maybe join up like that there. Maybe we'll just bring that around like that too. Let's put a line down the middle, there, his pecs. And then his abs are there as well, so we're just going to do further little line like that. On this side here, just going to do the rest of his muscles, so it'll go down to where his belt area is. So just 2 little curves in, 1, 2, like that. And this side, we're just going to do a little curve out and around like that. Join that up in the middle there. We're just going to put a nice kind of straight line in, just to show that off. Alright. Let's do his belt area. So I'm just going to pop a circle in where that line ends here. So just going to do quite a large circle for now. And this is his belt area. So a couple of little lines either side of that. And then he's got like little utility elements on his belt. And those are like little boxes. So I'm just going to do like a rectangle there. Do a rectangle there. It's kind of got like 2 on either side. So let's just do another sort of rectangle area like that. Okay, let's just sort these arms out next. So it's got his bicep coming into about here. So let's go from that shell area there, just move it down like that. Same on this side, just move down like that, get that bicep area in. Join that up to the top part of his upper arm there. Same here, top part of the upper arm there. Then I'm going to draw to about down to about there for the lower part of the arm. So we're going to do a forearm down and down here. So I'm just gonna kind of like bring it out because it's quite muscly, down like that. And then do the kind of same thing here. Just gonna come out and down like that. This side, do the same sort of thing. So do the inner part, just come out and down. And then do the outer part, just come out and down like that. Let's finish off where his hands are. So I'm just gonna do like clenched fists. So I'm gonna bring this out, a bit of a semicircle and up. Same here, bit of a semicircle and up. And then do the same sort of thing, just a bit straighter there, and a bit of a semicircle, just show a clenched fist. Bring it out, bit of a semicircle, clenched fist there. Pop a little line in where his thumb is there. Alright, let's go into the bottom of his shell area. Just going to put a little line in about there. That's his bottom of his shell, so we can actually do curve a little bit up here, curve a little bit up there. Now we can do his top of his thighs to his knees. So I'm just going to go down to about here. Quite muscly turtle legs, so down like that. And then this side's going to do the same sort of thing, go in and taper down to there. So from about there, taper down. Let's do the same thing this side. Out, taper down. At the top there, out, taper down. Big old knee pads on as well. So I'm just going to do like a curved area around like that. Same on this side, curve around like that. Let's do the rest of his leg, so the lower part of his leg. So we're just going to do a nice line down from about here for his shin, and then he's got big old calf muscle here, so I'm just going to bring it out and down. This can now go down to the heel area and in, and then we can then just go a line there, curve up, do it again, a line, curve up for his feet. Alright, do the same kind of thing here. So what we can do is sort of have his foot coming forward, so I can do I can show his calf on either side, so I can go out, down, and out, down, and then we can just bring this out here, curve up one toe, curve up the next toe, like that. Alright, it's got kind of little packs on his thigh area, so again just going to put a couple of little rectangle, curved rectangle areas in, 1, 2, one there, one there, and then these are kind of belted in, so I'm just going to do a couple of squares in that thigh area, and then we'll just join it up with the black line, like so, black line, like so, same on this side, just join those up. Cool, okay. Just got a bit of a hint of his shell in at the background as well. So I'm just gonna do a curve like that, fill it in black. Same here, curve it around, fill it in black. Nice, okay. There's a band area here sort of for his armour, so just where the top of the bicep is, you can do 2 curved lines. Same up here, so 1, 2. It's got little bits where his elbows meet as well, so I'm going to do a couple of lines like that and then just kind of show a pad. And actually, let's just colour that in black too because they're quite dark. Same on this side, just colour in black where his joints are. Just show a hint of something going on here. Alright, nice. And then he's kind of got bandaged areas on as well, sort of made up here. So I'm just going to do a line. Line here, and line here, where I show the green of his thumbs and fingers, like fingerless kind of area there. And then I'll just move a little bit of the shell down to there. And then what I think I'll do is just get the smaller fine point pen. Look at the top here. Just join that little bit up there, and then just sort of a couple of little more sort of angry lines in there with the finer pen. Yeah, that's good. Little bit of sort of muscle area, just put a couple of lines in like that. Where the front of his sort of chest is, kind of going to just pipe around that, just to show that area. Just follow where you've already drawn there, just to add that detail. Oh yeah, in that little bit too. That's good. And just in sort of where it's like trunked, little bits there. A little bit of battle scarring here, so just going to do a couple of lines like that. then let's put some detail on the shoulders. So just again, kind of gonna just pipe around those areas. Same on the other side. Pipe around those areas. A couple of little sort of bolts put in as well. So pop those in. One there, one there, one here, one here. And then for his sort of like forearms and hands, we can just add some kind of banding going on here. Just put some lines in wherever you like, really, just adds to the effect. Same on this side, so I'm just going to do some lines around wherever you like, sort of crisscross them if you want to. Oh, that's good. Right, just in here, there's a little bit of detail in the belt, which has got the R in, so I'm just going to do a little bit of piping around, like a little circle within there. Okay, and then I'm just going to do an R, so straight up, let's do a capital R in there, colour that in afterwards. And then I'll colour this, just colour this bit black, save us having to do that later on. Great, okie dokes. Next up, just a little bit of detail here, that red, just a couple of rectangles in here. And then let's just look at these bits. These are a bit similar to the armour on his shoulders, so I'm going to put a bit of piping around here. And then just maybe just top and bottom there. And it looks like it's got kind of like 3 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 there. Can't see the other one around there. A little bit of sort of muscular detail here, just a couple of lines in like that. Maybe just a bit of ankle, just to sort of show that foot there. That's cool. Then I think I'm fairly happy with that. Let's just pop a bit of ground in as well, just behind him. That's cool. Right, next up, let's get a nice vibrant green Raphael. Let's colour that turtle in. So, nice sort of turtley green I've got there. Fill him in. Okay, that's the green's done. Now that's good. Okay, let's get a bit of a sort of browny yellow colour for the front of his sort of shell area. Let's just fill that in. Just leave a little bit of light there. That top area there, just so like the light bouncing off it. Okay, that's good. Next up, let's get a brown colour there. Just going to pop in the armour brown colours here. Next up, I think I'll get just a bit of a grey colour, I reckon. Let's go grey. And what we can do with the grey is we'll just fill in some of these belt areas. Just fill in here, put these bits in here. Just get a little bit of a lighter grey, or maybe sort of a lightish blue. And what we'll do with those is just fill in where the bandagey areas are around there. That's cool. Yeah, that's good. Okay, just go back to that grey again. Let's just fill in these boxes around. Yeah, these little dark little pouches that he's got. Fill that in, just leave a little area there for the red in a moment. Red, nice popping red colour. Fill in bandana, Raphael. he's got just a little bit of red kind of in there, just a little accent, and the R as well. Make sure we get that. What I think I might do, just get a slightly darker red, just go around the edge, bandana, and just show the kind of angry face. Let's go around that just ever so slightly. Just the top of that area as well. On there. Just going to get a slightly darker green as well. What we'll do with that darker green is just do a little bit of shadow around him. So just under his neck area, just around here where the armour is. Just helps to show that off. It's around here, do nice little curves around it, kind of show sort of like muscles of this turtle. Go in there, pull those in, just show that kind of shadow working around there. And there we go, that's Raphael on Art Draw from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Hope you enjoyed the picture. Please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Right, thanks, bye.